So, today we will study about the types of cultural heritage. Some of the cultural heritage are built heritage, artifacts, painting. Mm, In painting, there are many types of painting. Okay, and we will also study about the other heritage. In built heritage, the old palaces, monuments, old buildings which are of historical and architectural importance are our built heritage of our country. So I show you some of the built heritage like Ajanta, Ellora Cave, temples like Sun Temple, Sanchi Stupa. You can also count Khajuraho Temple and many other are the part of Indian heritage and culture. Muslim rulers in India love their people and country. They not only settle here but spend their lives in developing the country for the people for of that time and also for the future generation. Therefore, India is originated with many beautiful monuments made by Muslims. They are like Taj Mahal by Shah Jahan, Qutub Minar by Qutubuddin Aibak, Red Fort by Shah Jahan. Then there are many more: Jama Masjid, Char Minar, Gol Gumbad, Fatehpur Sikri, Agra Fort, Golconda Fort, many other forts, mosques, tombs, and many other monuments are there in India. It is our built heritage. Then artifacts. What is artifact? Artifacts are documents, paintings, pottery, vessels, article of clothing, remains of old buildings. These are called artifacts. Then there are many paintings. The tradition of painting can be tracked back to the ancient time, as is evident from the cave painting found on the wall of Ajanta and Ellora. Many more types of paintings are done in the small version of fort, battlefield, hunting scene. Many paintings were done, and we can found a different style of painting in India. So this is mural painting, which is done artwork done directly on the wall. The people paint the wall. This is mural painting. Then traditional painting. In traditional painting, many paintings are there. Rajasthani painting, Madhubani painting, which is also called Mithilia painting. It is mostly practiced in Mithilia region of Bihar, India, and other part of Nepal. This painting is done with fingers, twigs, brush, nib pens, matchstick, using dyes and pigments. Then this is Tanjore painting, Pattachitra painting, Kalamkari painting, and many other paintings are done, which is modern painting, modern artistic work, which is has been started after the 18th century and till current era. Then this is miniature painting. Miniature means very small portrait, court scene, flora, fauna, Persian miniature painting with Indian, Jain, and Buddhist influence are made, and small paintings are called miniature painting. So these are all the types of cultural heritage of a country. Now, dance and music. India is the land of rich music and dance. There are more than 45 folk dances. 45 folk dances and 7 classical dance forms, and also 15 vocal forms and 60 musical instruments. So people used to worship their god with these dances and music. But in some culture, dance and music is form of worship. and others in it is also a part of entertainment, but it is strictly prohibited in Islam. So we should not go to these things. And some of the Indian dances I am telling you, that is Bhangra, Garba, Dandiya, Bihu, and Manipuri. But it is prohibited in Islam, so Muslims do not use to do so.